What's up, YouTube? You know, this is your boy Deli Rainy Road, and I'm in the building to drop a next funny video. So I just want you to do one thing for me, just like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon. So when I drop a funny video or a next video with a video upon a video, you're first to get that notification. So just subscribe, like, and share. Give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it. So this one is the farmer. So you don't know, so yo, my generally I can go up on the farm, go draw the farmer, and the boss say yo, my do operation, and yo, a bag of things, but not even one, you just go out to the page and watch it. Don't forget, Deli on the road with another one. Give credit to the icon. My general, I'm out.
Master farmer, what are you doing here?
I'm preparing some manure for the pumpkin. I'm a little bit operation here for to do.
Oh, so why are you draining the water through this?
Yeah.
So.
Well, the reason why we're doing it like this, we're not going to put the manure and the plant because the time get a bit dry. So what we're doing here is filtering the manure, and then we're going to, after we filter it, we're going to bottle it and put it at the pumpkin root, so it can work as a nutrients for the pumpkins.
Okay, so this way better than just putting the water by itself.
Yeah, we are better. So over the course of the next 2.5 months, it will supply the pumpkin with the added nutrients than the fertilizer, because as you know, it is King Vergin farm, so we have to do things in the holistic way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you know, right now I come like say if you throw I need a bucket of water if you throw up on my plant. You know.
Oh, most definitely.
Okay.
Yeah,
See?
and this is the operation. When, yeah, we're gonna fold this bottle here and throw it in the bottle here. Yeah. After we fold this bottle now, for the next apparently 6 months, it will. Where's the machete? Around.
So I want to man see machete out there, so man. What you say? There's a what?
There's a lot of operation that goes on at King Vergin farm.
So watch me, I want to step on and I leave them. Yeah. You step past them.
Yeah, so there is a lot to learn. Yeah, so here is the pumpkin root here. So we're gonna just scratch away a little hole, and we're gonna just half mass the back here. So
yeah, scratch away a little hole. That's
yeah.
why if you find a woman and find a hole.
You don't fret yourself about that. Everything come in its right prospect.
Time if you find a woman and find the hole like where you find,
all right.
find the hole there, so.
You don't worry about that. You don't get too carried away. You just concentrate on this operation. Here. All right. You see? Right. Right?
So who get carried away?
Eh? You get.
So you just leak, you just leave it open a little bit for it just go and leak.
Yeah, so when we have mass it, the air in the soil gone eventually suck the water to the soil. So for the next 3 to 6 months, this bottle will be here dripping said way. It lasts a very long period of time.
This is brilliant. You hear that?
Well, welcome. I appreciate it. So
you said a buckle now go run out of that
no.
liquid now for next, how long this will last?
This can last all the next 3 to 6 months. All 1 year.
And that continue
Yeah.
feed itself. So,
Yeah,
even if you not get no rain, you're good.
Even if you're not getting no rain, it take a time filter to the soil, filter So this is one of
That's why you're punking him so big, brother, and so rich and pretty.
oh, because it
Cause
is
you coulda come and use, cause you coulda use the natural pipe water and just put in your bucket and do the same thing, but you choose not to.
no, we choose
You wash it through the manure.
through the manure. Because it is King Virgin Farm, so you have to have that special touch, that virgin touch.
How will you say do this in a Tifa style?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, you know, we went at Ebony Park Art Academy.
Also, people you follow then.
Yeah, man, see, buckle is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all these buckles that on the nation road that they use to litter the environment. I go along and I pick them up sometimes. They say, look at that madman. They're taking up those buckles. He's crazy. Oh, he's cuckoo.
Yeah.
He's
cuckoo.
Yeah. he's pinky loco.
He's pretty loco.
He's mad. Yeah. I turn up the thing.
Fuck. But I pity them don't know. Say what you do with the buckle when you pick them up off of the road, eh?
That's why it named King Virgin Treasure Farm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because a lot of treasure is here.
Yeah, the government for know say them man are clean up the road from the plastic them, you know.
Yeah.
When you start take up some of them women that buy the fake body and plastic na them too, you know, and carry them come down and come dip them in the water and put them in the ground too.
I make them farm this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's over 10,000. We take up
Where you say you take up all plastic off of the road?
all plastic. A King Virgin Farm. From it is back and can get the work done. It's right here. So, yeah, man, just like that.
Man, mad, you know?
Yeah, if you want the field, you see, back of them, even at the papaya root. It lasts all 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, at the papaya root. So when the time get a bit dry, especially in the summer, the papaya begin to drop leaves. So with this water, you know, it take time filter to the papaya and carry through the period of dryness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant, brother. Shout to the man, find it, you know.
Yeah, man. Some man talk about them find it. A King Virgin find it.
Yeah, that one them man not find nothing, man. A King Virgin find it, man.
You know, you buy out the thing. No, gypsum.
So why you put it so far from the tree itself, yeah?
Yeah, because
Papaya root them run come all the way
yeah,
out here, so?
yeah, the papaya root run come here. And where you see the leaf extend, is where the root.
The far, that's how it goes.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never know that. No.
Yeah. I know you see the root. Yeah.
So one papaya and so shot dog.
Yeah. I know you see the root. Yeah. You put it.
So how much of them you put round a papaya around this?
Sometimes we put 1 or 2. Yeah.
Depends on the
Let me see that. Let me not see that a leak.
Yeah. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because this papaya is one of the high variety. So, you know, this take a little more care than the regular one. Cause, you know, so you have to make sure.
So it never go there board the cock.
No. Already you half mass it. And the air in the soil, because the soil, as in the oxygen, you know. So the oxygen in the soil gonna draw. So after the time get, more it filtered to the soil.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's soil. It's soil do it one.
I imagine when you finally get him virgin, man. You're supposed to know everything about pussy when you're done.
All a child space.
All a child space. Apologize. You're supposed to know everything about pussy.
You're barking at the wrong tree.
Yeah.
And you're barking at the wrong place here. You're overstepping your bone now.
Okay.
You're too previous.
Yeah. If you know everything about farming, because it alone you have study. Imagine when you get your first woman. Blood clot. You know.
Welcome. Bring it on.
One big tree and then after.
Yeah, man.
Big tree.
That's it.
They're up on the farm, you know what I mean? Papaya, nice, isn't it, man? There's some banana forward, I know. Come banana tree at all. Never see banana tree at all, so.
These are as a windbreaker for the planting, for the papaya.
Papaya, nice, my dad.
Yeah, because it's virgin farm, all natural. The fruit of the sea.
Get me. Organic, you know?
Yeah, organic.
Nothing added to it.
Yeah, so all of these go back to the soil.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They leave them.
yeah, decompose and farm back manure to the soil.
Yeah, I get to I carry a wife here.
You see, I get to my wife.
Yeah, man.
They get in.
How you get her for do it?
Me never want to say. Me never want to say.
Flicking her head.
Me
Yeah, boom flick pan him, man.
never want to say a Walmart. Yeah, go.
With him dirty rag now upon him head every day and that.
Yeah, dirty rag. Bring it on.
Watch it. All you want to dig be a hole upon the farm. You need a real hole in your life, dog.
True, man. You can't, no,
So
man.
you say them hole where you dig, them will make your money. The other hole them will take your money.
From the artist move.
King
No, man, but you
Vergin.
need a wife. for
Of
sure,
course,
man.
I don't need.
You're a big grown man, man.
Yeah, man.
7,
Yeah, how
man.
much, man?
40, 11.
No, man, pan a serious.
40,
man.
11. So 40, 11. Then
Yeah, so
You
long.
can't talk to the man about pussy, the man don't hear nothing about that, dog.
wife.
Oh, wife.
Yeah, wife.
So the wife not come with the pussy, see me?
All right. What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry, I forgot
Put
me
all
not to
the
talk
clothes,
them
man.
thing them. Alright, put all the clothes for me. Argument, sorry with that.
You're too previous, son.
Sorry, my dad. Forgot some enough to talk up on the farm, on the Vergin
No,
farm.
you can't.
Yeah,
Not even the farm, man,
You have to
want
be
me talk.
discreet.
yeah.
Not even the farm, man, want me talk about pussy down here, dog.
Yeah.
Because the farm a virgin too, you know.
Yeah, man.
You can't just a dig holes so for the rest of your life, my dad. You have to do better than this,
Who did
man.
say at the rest of your life? Who did say that? Did anyone inform you the rest of your life? So why you think we're doing this? Why? You have to wear the bad mark. King. So the king can.
The
No,
king
you
nah no
can't be
queen.
no king.
Lord the king, my dad. You nah no queen.
Yeah, you can't be no king. Me a king and me have queen.
Alright. Linval King, the man name.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
a
the
king him name.
The queen in operation. That's why we're doing all this for the queen. You don't have to make provision. Eh?
No provision. Look how much provision you make.
Yeah,
A millions you make off a
yeah.
papa and then I trick the people them in it.
And now look at fly by night, me want.
Boy.
And me do want a look at fly by night. Me
Come,
now
man, you have to
40,
creep
11
before
thing
you walk.
around me foot.
You have to creep before you
Yeah.
walk.
Big farmer take a break, you know.
Oh, Gwendolyn and Gwendolyn home style cooking.
You drink Gwendolyn.
And Gwen for you, Yana is not size.
You drink Aunt Gwen.
And Gwen for you.
Why not this? Why make this? Because this don't look good. The bucket of water where you put on under the tree look better on it.
It's about the recipe.
What is this? What is? What are
This
you
is
I miss right now.
this is Aunt Gwendolyn home style cooking.
Gwendolyn.
Yes.
What you use?
Pumpkin, Irish, carrot, beef, piece of chicken. Yeah. Split peas, bean, all the beans.
So you cook for yourself.
You're right, all the beans.
So you need a woman to come cook for you now and change up the diet for you.
Yeah, well, nothing wrong. Everything in its right prospect. See?
But if me taste all that, I'm sick, you know, man.
So says you. But what about me? Me is one that putting in the laborious work
What
for
is
years.
sniper test?
Oh, it's on this steward, so I put it here to cool down.
You see it, no? Oh,
Break temperature.
oh. So what are this you drink coffee a day because you not left the farm when you come down here? All day you have your food.
The whole 9 yards.
God. Yeah, real man. You
Yeah.
can't suffer in the earth.
No, we can't afford to general my body. You're doing all this work almost 10 acres. You can't do general your body. The last shop there, almost 40, 17 miles away. Yeah?
So you make sure so you stock up on your food. and
Yeah.
thing.
Me have to have everything everything under one roof. Yeah?
See, man, do your thing. You're the man, you know.
Bless up.
Yeah.
I'm multiplying. Look at here. Look
Yeah,
at
you know, I just realize we're rambling there. Where your dog, the rambling?
He's up the house.
So where you eat out and ball for?
How dare you? How dare you to say such derogatory things?
They don't want dog ball this shot.
No.
The rambling dog ball.
Yes,
Rambo and eat out
rambling
and
at this one container. Please.
When you eat out a rambling bowl,
No.
You know, you're back like rambling and go. I am your time ball.
No, this is not- you know, far. I have carried this one. You know, this is
change them out like dog ball all the while.
No. You dare you to put a rambling. I'm not going to tolerate this. No, right now you're gone too far. We are too far. Dare you? You want me an apology? No, I'm not going to take it.
I think you should apologize.
I'm sorry, rambling.
You want me an apology?
I'm sorry, rambling.
Right now you make me lose medical concentration in enjoying my exotic, authentic Jamaican home style cooking. Apologize.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Take him.
I'm sorry, rambling.
Long time you have that party, my dad.
yes. I buy it in the state.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you can't come back to Jamaica, you never can't go back over.
Yeah, each time I'm going up, it fly first class.
Wait, is it? Which part of America you go back and care about that party?
I buy it at Walmart. I buy it at Walmart at Lions.
So every time you go back to foreign, you can't go back to...
Yeah, every time. And when I'm at the airport, they ask me about, where you going with these things? I said, dare you? To the Americans. Rude. Fresh. Impertinent. But where am I going with these
We
things?
a party.
Yeah. What you mean?
Nah, I'm out on nobody else pot, but you're a pot.
I mean a scratch lower. Yeah. I'm on the